How to achieve high-precision straightening for long and thin metal rods? This fully automatic straightening machine provides an efficient solution for precision rod correction. The machine automatically loads the workpiece, reducing manual operation and improving production efficiency. The intelligent measuring system automatically detects the rod's bending deformation and identifies the exact bending position. Based on the measurement results, the system automatically calculates the correction process and performs precise straightening. After straightening, the system performs automatic inspection to ensure the required straightness accuracy. If you are looking for an automatic straightening solution for rods, shafts, or metal components, please contact us for more information.